Dear friends, welcome to ALS Max JEE YouTube channel. In previous class, we were discussing about exact differential equations and two models are non-exact differential equations. Today, we will discuss about remaining two models are non-exact differential equations. Model 3, if mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is a non-exact differential equation and if there exists a single variable function f of x in x such that f of x equal to 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, then integrating factor of this non-exact differential equation is e power integral f of x dx. Example, x square plus y square plus 1 into dx minus 2xy dy equal to 0. This differential equation is of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Here m is coefficient of dx, m equal to x square plus y square plus 1 and n is coefficient of dy which equal to minus 2xy. n equal to minus 2xy implies dou m by dou y equal to, dou m by dou y means differentiate m partially with respect to y. Here that means in m only y is variable and remaining terms are constants. Here x square is constant, derivative of x square is 0 and y square, derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y and 1 is constant, derivative of constant is 0 equal to 2y. Here dou n by dou x equal to differentiate partially n with respect to x, that means only x is variable and remaining terms are constants. Here minus 2y is constant, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so we get minus 2y. Dou m by dou y equal to 2y and dou n by dou x equal to minus 2y, both are not equal. Dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x implies given differential equation is non-exact differential equation. Then we have to find 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. 1 by m into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to 1 by m x square plus y square plus 1 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. 1 by n, here n is minus 2xy, 1 by minus 2xy into dou m by dou y, dou m by dou y equal to 2y minus dou n by dou x, here dou n by dou x equal to minus 2y, minus of minus 2y, so 4y by minus 2xy, y cancel, so we get minus 2 by x. This is the single variable function in x, that equal to f of x. So we get a single variable function f of x in x. So integrating factor of this non-exact differential equation is e power integral f of x dx. E power integral f of x f of x is 2 by minus 2 by x into dx equal to e power minus 2 into integration of 1 by x is log x equal to e power log of x power minus 2 to the base e equal to x power minus 2, that is 1 by x square. So integrating factor of this non-exact differential equation is 1 by x square. Integrating factor means if we multiply this integrating factor with exact differential equation, then it becomes non-exact. If we multiply this integrating factor with non-exact differential equation, then we get exact differential equation. Multiply this integrating factor with a non-exact differential equation, we get x square plus y square plus 1 into dx by x square minus 2xy by x square into dy equal to 0. X square by x square 1 plus y square plus 1 by x square into dx minus x square cancel 2y by x into dy equal to 0. This is the exact differential equation. This is the exact differential equation. We know that general solution for exact differential equation is integral x m dx plus integral term free from x in n of dy equal to c. This is the general solution for exact differential equation. Here m is, this one is m and this one is n. Integral m dx integral x m dx 1 plus y square plus 1 by x square into dx plus term free from x in n. Here n is minus 2y by x. There is no term in n which contains x. That means term free from x in n is 0 equal to c. Here we integrate with respect to x. So integration of constant, integration of k is kx. So integration of 1 is 1x. Here y square plus 1 is constant and 1 by x square, integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x equal to c. This is the general solution of non-exact differential equation. Next model. Fourth model. If m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is non-exact differential equation, non-exact differential equation, and if there exists a single variable function g of y in y such that g of y equal to 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, then integrating factor of this non-exact differential equation is integral e power integral g of y dy. Example, xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 into dy equal to 0. This differential equation is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here dx coefficient m equal to xy cube plus y. Here m equal to xy cube plus y. And dy coefficient n equal to 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4. Here dou m by dou y equal to, that means partial differentiation of m with respect to y. Here partial differentiation of m with respect to y means in m only y is variable and remaining terms are constant. Here x is constant and derivative of y cube is 3y square plus derivative of y is 1 equal to 3xy square plus 1. Here dou n by dou x equal to dou n by dou x equal to differentiate n partially with respect to x. That means in n only x is variable and remaining terms are constants. Here two constant, derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x plus 2x into here y square constant, derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x plus derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and derivative of y power 4 with respect to x is 0 because y power 4 is constant. So 0. We get 2 into 2xy square. So 4x y square plus 2 into 1 plus 2. This is dou n by dou x. Now we have to calculate 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. 1 by n into m into 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equal to 1 by, here m is xy cube plus y. Take y as common, we get y into xy square plus 1. Dou n by dou x is 4xy square plus 2. Dou n by dou y, dou n by dou x 4xy square plus 2 minus dou m by dou y is 3xy square plus 1 minus of 3xy square plus 1. So we get 1 by y into xy square plus 1 into 4xy square minus 3xy square. Xy square, take minus as common. Xy square, 2 minus 1 minus 1, take minus as common. We get 4xy square minus 3xy square, xy square, 2 minus 1 plus 1. Xy square plus 1, xy square plus 1 cancel. We get 1 by y. This is the single variable function in y. That equal to g of y. So 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equal to g of y, which is single variable function in y. So integrating factor of this non-exact differential equation is e power integral g of y dy. Integrating factor equal to e power integral g of y dy equal to e power integral 1 by y dy equal to e power log y to the base c equal to y. So we get integrating factor y. If multiplying the given non-exact dE with integrating factor y, then this non-exact becomes exact differential equation. So multiplying the given dE with this integrating factor, then given dE becomes exact dE. Y into xy cube plus y. y into xy cube, xy power 4, y into y square into dx plus y into 2x 2 into y into x square y cube plus y into xy plus y into y power 4 y power 5 into dy equal to 0. This d is exact d. This differential equation is exact differential equation. Here m is xy power 4 plus y square and n is this one. We know that general solution of exact differential equation is d is integral x m dx plus integral term free from x in n of dy equal to c. This is the general solution for exact differential equation. Here mdx is xy power 4 plus y square into dx plus term free from x in n is 2 into integral. This term contains x and this term contains x. Only y power 5 is term independent of x in n. So y power 5 into dy equal to c. Here we integrate with respect to x. So y power 4 constant into integration of x is x square by 2. Here y square is constant. Integration of constant is constant into x. So integration of y square is y square into x plus 2 into integration of y power 5 is y power 6 by 6 equal to c. This is the general solution for this non-exact non-exact differential equation. I will give some problems for practicing it. X square plus y square into dx, x square plus y square plus x into dx plus xy dy equal to 0. 2 into y square plus 1 into dx plus 3xy square dy equal to 0. X cube minus 2y square into dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. These three are non-exact differential equation on model 3. That means integrating factor equal to e power integral f of x dx, where f of x equal to 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Next model, y power 4 plus 2y into dx plus xy cube plus 2y power 4 plus 2y power 4 minus 4x into dy equal to 0. Xy square minus x square into dx plus 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube plus y square into dy equal to 0. y plus y square into dx plus xy dy equal to 0. These three are fourth model on non-exact differential equations. That is integrating factor equal to e power integral g of y dy. Integrating factor of these three non-exact differential equations is e power integral g of y dy, where g of y equal to 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. These are the models on non-exact differential equations. Thank you very much for watching ALS Max JEE YouTube channel.